my teacher as my hero because if they were not here, it's hard for us to learn about ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, and all other kinds of stuff. We also know that our teacher is a real-life hero, our second parents, and our real-life friends. So, to all teachers, I would like to greet you all a happy Teacher's Month.
As our heroes because they help us attain our goals in life. They encourage us to portray our skills and talents in developing it. They also give us knowledge according to the aspects of life. That's why we should be grateful and thankful that we have them.
I consider my
Thank you,
teacher
teachers.
as a hero because she teaches me everything and helps me in my studies. She also makes me happy because if I want to know everything,
nag-alisod sila na mo bisan sa akong mga kasiaw para laman makaantig ko.
My teacher is my hero because she is my three eyes in education. She inspires me, she influences me, and she instructs me. And she molds me into a being, molds me to become a better.
I consider my teacher as my hero since we all know that they're sacrificing their time and effort just to share their knowledge, to impart their knowledge to us. Really, so saludo ako sa mga guro.
My teacher is my hero because she teaches me to become.
Sabi ko, ang aking guro ay ang aking tagapagtanggol dahil sa marami silang mga panahong iginugol at maraming sacrifices na ginawa para sa amin. At kahit na hindi kami mababait na mga estudyante, tinuturuan pa rin nila kami.
A better person. They gave me experiences like experiences that I haven't experienced in some points of my life, like having memorable experiences, embarrassing experiences, like being scolded, being disciplined, and by those experiences, I became a
My
better
teacher
person.
is my hero because my teacher teaches me how to read, to write, and how to comprehend. My teacher influences me to become a better person. Because of my teacher, I became what I am now. Axel is Axel now because of my teacher. So to all my teachers, happy Teacher's Month and be the best of who you are.